Hey people, how are you doing? In that video, I just doing squat, 3 10 counts. So all in all, 30 counts. It's tiring to do it, but they said that it helps to flatten belly. So it was my first time of doing it since I went back to gym. And yeah, I just count 10 first and then take a rest like 1 minute and then another 10 counts and then after you have to take rest after 1 minute and then until you can comply the 3 10 counts or 14 counts, all in all 40 counts. So that's what I'm doing while I'm in gym for today. So don't forget to click subscribe our channel. Long live people.